Most homes in India have at least one LG product. But the bigger question for investor is this: can LG Electronics India also become a strong long-term portfolio stock? Market leadership and distribution strength. LG Electronics India is one of the leading players in home appliance and consumer electronics in the country. It holds strong position in key categories like refrigerator, washing machines, televisions and air conditioner. Backed by strong brand recall, LG has built a powerful distribution network with over 35,000 retail touchpoints, 97 sales offices and 1,000 plus service centers, helping it maintain a strong presence across both urban and rural India. Technology advantage. LG has historically led technology adoption in India. It introduced inverter air conditioners early and transitioned fully to inverter technology by 2017. This technology reduces electricity consumption significantly and aligned with India's push for energy-efficient appliance. Regulatory tailwinds. New government regulation around energy efficiency and eco-friendly refrigerant favor companies already investing in advanced technology. LG's early move toward inverter AC and low-emission refrigerant gives it a strong advantage as these rules become stricter. Demand recovery trigger. Cooling products like air conditioners and refrigerators saw weak demand earlier due to uneven rainfall. However, the early onset of summer and rising temperatures can drive stronger demand recovery in these segments. Strong financial growth. LG Electronics India has delivered strong financial performance. The company reported around 27.8% PAT CAGR over the last 2 years and revenue growth of around 10.7% CAGR. The return on equity stands at an impressive 37.1%, showing an efficient capital use. Manufacturing expansion. LG is also expanding manufacturing capacity in India. A new facility in Andhra Pradesh expected by FY27 will focus on air conditioners and improve scale efficiency and supply chain strength. Strong brand, market leadership, technology advantage, expanding manufacturing capacity, and a solid financial performance. These factors together explain why LG Electronics India is emerging as a compelling stock to watch in the consumer electronics space. Follow Chola Securities for more such information.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.